Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make video settings for YouTube video in VSDC. First, you need to open the VSDC video editor and then choose import content. Now from here, choose the video which you want to make setting for YouTube. And from here, you can select full HD. And choose finish. Then you need to choose it. After making all the settings, you need to choose export project, and from here choose for YouTube, and then choose conversion, and from here choose edit profile and insert here. Choose insert profile, and we will see the new profile. And from here you need to choose resolution. You can choose it, and you can choose resolution. From here you can choose 3000 bitrate, and then choose save profile, and then choose apply profile. So now you have saved the profile. You can name it whatever you like. Profile, and here is the setting, and you can choose play profile. Here is the name of your user, and you can start from conversion, and done. So this is the video tutorial. Subscribe the channel.